Hello everyone, I am Dr. Saida Aisha. Chemistry of Inner Transition Elements is the unit which comes under the inorganic chemistry part of the BSc syllabus. Through this session, I would like to discuss the general characteristics of the inner transition elements, which include the oxidation state, spectral properties, and the color. In general, by taking the 4F and the 5F series elements. When we look upon the oxidation states of the lanthanides, it is found that the most common and the most stable oxidation state of lanthanides is +3, but some elements also exhibit +2 and +4 oxidation states in which they leave behind stable ions. They exhibit +2 and +4 oxidation states also in addition to the most common oxidation state of +3. The +2 and +4 oxidation states are less common when compared to the common oxidation state of +3. These are shown by these elements which by doing so can attain the stable F0, that is empty, F7 half filled, or F14 completely filled configuration. Example, the element cerium and terbium exhibit +4 oxidation states, and the element europium and ytterbium exhibit +2 oxidation state. Here we can see that the europium ion 2+ ion has a configuration of xenon and 4f7, while ytterbium 2+ has the configuration of xenon 4f14. In the +2 oxidation state, europium donates 2 electrons from its 6s orbitals. In europium 2+, 4f orbitals are half filled, that is, it attains 4f7 configuration, which is relatively more stable. Similarly, in the +2 oxidation state, ytterbium donates 2 electrons from the 6s orbital. In ytterbium 2+, the 4f orbitals are completely filled, that is 4f14 configuration, which is more stable. Therefore, europium and ytterbium show +2 oxidation states. Here are the common oxidation states which can be found by the lanthanides. So from this table, we can observe that the lanthanides exhibit a common oxidation state of +3. +2 and +4 oxidation states are also possible, but they are found to be less common than the +3 oxidation state. Therefore, we can conclude that the most common and the most stable oxidation state of lanthanides is +3. The next general characteristics of the inner transition elements in this session is the spectral properties of the inner transition elements. The absorption depends on the energy which is needed by the electrons to be excited from one level to another, that is the F-F transition. This energy is different in different cases as the available orbitals whose 4f electrons can excite to are different ones. The f orbitals are deep inside the atoms and largely shielded from the environment. Also, the external fields can split and the absorption bands found are very sharp. The next general characteristics in this session is the color of the inner transition elements. Salts of many lanthanide elements are colored. Most of the trivalent lanthanide ions are colored. The unpaired electrons which are present in the outermost 4f subshell of the lanthanide ions are responsible for the color. Color depends on the electronic configuration in the 4f orbital. We can say that when the orbital is empty, half filled and completely filled, it is colorless. The color of the compound depends on the number of the unpaired electrons. When we consider the ion gadolinium 3+, it has found to be an electronic configuration of the configuration of xenon 4f7. Gd3+ ion has exactly half-filled configuration, that is, it has F7 configuration. So, the electrons for FF transitions are absent, due to which this ion is found to be colorless. Here are some of the references which we have used in preparing this session. A large number of references are found through the internet service also. Hope you can find well references along with this. I thank you all for hearing this session on the chemistry of transition elements, in which the general characteristics like the oxidation states, spectral properties and color are described. Thank you.